Hi, and thanks for tuning in to Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we have an exciting new version of the Easy-base accessory for the multi-lift system to show you. This system is designed for use in an outdoor environment on rugged surfaces, uneven surfaces. This is just a general overview of how the Easy-base outdoor version works. Okay, so our first step here, of course, is going to be to connect the sling. Bring the lift right in here. Okay, so you'll see that once I lift, okay, there's going to be some effort involved. There's no question about it. You're still going on. This is some deep kind of wet grass right here. But because we've got that larger surface area, it becomes possible to do it. Okay, so once we're up and off of the wheelchair, we pull back. So pulling is a lot easier than pushing. So if you can plan your time out and your space and all that, you're going to want to make sure that you do that. Okay, so I'm putting a little pressure here, and there we go, right over the chair. Could be a golf cart, could be a lot of different things. Also, if you look in the notes field down below, we will actually have a video of a golf cart and using the unit in a vehicle in certain circumstances. So once we're all the way down here, we're going to lower, disconnect, and we're ready to go. We've done a nice, easy outdoor transfer. Work with our sales staff to be able to determine whether this is really going to be appropriate for your needs. And of course, please do not use this system in any kind of environment that you haven't really discussed with Access Unlimited. Do not use the system on unlevel ground. That is not going to work. It's a dangerous situation. Or if you have tree roots or big rocks or anything like that, it's still not going to be appropriate. But again, we will work with you. Make sure you can do a safe transfer in this new environment. Well, thank you so much for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel and checking out another one of our new and exciting options. If you'd like to learn more about the Easy-base outdoor version, please contact us on our website at accessunlimited.com. And of course, if you'd like to learn more about Access Unlimited in general, go to our Facebook page at facebook.com/accessun. We're on X or Twitter at AccessUN, and you can catch us on Instagram at Access Unlimited, one word, Pinterest, Access Unlimited, two words, and of course, contact us the old-fashioned way is always the best at 1-800-849-2143. Evenings and weekends are no problem. Country code 1 again, 615-873-0518. Thanks for checking out the Easy-base outdoor version, and check out all the other videos in the notes field down below. Enjoy your day.